Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can import and export WooCommerce products to Excel. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Products under WooCommerce. At the top of the page, you'll see two buttons: Import and Export. Let's start with Export. Click on Export, and WooCommerce will open a new window where you can choose what data you want to export, like product name, SKU, price, stock, and categories. You can select specific columns or leave everything checked to export all product data. When you're ready, click Generate CSV. This will download a CSV file that you can open in Excel to view or edit your products easily. Now, to import products, go back to the Products page and click Import. Choose the same CSV file or any other Excel CSV file you've prepared, then click Continue. On the next screen, WooCommerce will show a mapping table. Make sure each column in your file matches the correct WooCommerce field, such as product name, regular price, or SKU. Once everything looks good, click Run the Importer, and WooCommerce will automatically add all your products to your store. After importing, refresh your products page, and you'll see all the new items appear with full details. And that's it. Now you know how to easily import and export WooCommerce products using Excel or CSV files without any plugin. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.